Hello students, wish you all a very good morning. How are you? I hope that you all are fine and doing well. I hope बेटा मुझे लगता है कि आप लोगों को जो लास्ट वीडियो हमारा ट्रायंगल पे था वो शायद आप लोग समझ पाए हैं, ठीक है। तो बस ऐसे रिकैप्चुलेशन चल रहा है तो इसको थोड़ा सा आप लोग कवर कीजिए, ओके। एंड I have asked to all of you and many of you have committed that congruency start. So it is now congruency brought in front of you that today we will discuss about congruency. Okay students, so let's before proceeding what you have to do, just use your headphone for a better listening and experiencing and take out the textbook, get ready for today's class. See students, today we will discuss about congruency. Students, it's important that what is congruency. If I ask you what is congruency, congruency it means we can say that parallel, equal, having same length, same shape, same size. Okay, it means an object, a figure, a diagram, anything which have the equal shape and size. Doesn't matter how it is placed, but shape and size must be equal. In such condition, we will say that is congruent placed together. Okay, sir? Supposed to be, this is a marker in front of you. Okay, it is placed on this way. Second marker I brought, and that supposed to be this is the second marker, and I have placed in that way, just opposite. What will we say? It is not congruence. It will be congruence. Why? Because having the same shape, same length. You getting my points? Doesn't matter how it placed, but matter is that length and shape and size must be equal. Questions? In such conditions, we can say the diagram, the figure, the objects is congruent together. See. So today we will discuss about the congruence on simple plane figure. Simple plane figure. Simple plane figure, it means what? That is the figure which is drawn with the help of lateral line, slanting line. Okay, we can see figures supposed to be congruent figures. Same thing I have discussed right now about congruent figures. You can see the figure. You can see there are two figures. It is square 1 or it is square 2. What happens? See. A, B, C, D. As you know that the sides of the square is always equal. Same way. This side is 2 cm and this side is 2 cm. Are you getting my points? It means both a square having the sides 2 cm. It means that is congruent. Two circles are given. Both are congruent. Why? Because both radius has given only 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm in such a condition. Doesn't matter where and how it will be placed, but same shape and same length must be there. So students, see line segment congruent. If I talk about a line segment, how it will be congruent? Having 2 or more than 2, it means many number of lines, any number of lines. It must be equal length. If it is equal length, doesn't matter where it is placed, but it must be length by equal. If its equal is length is equal, it means that is congruent. So we can say that line segment congruent having equal length of 2 or more than 2 line segment is called line segment. Okay students? See angles congruency. Suppose to be asked to angles congruency. It means angles congruency, it means what? It shows that you have to show the given angles of the figure are equal. Congruence, it means equal. That means parallel. That means having the same length and same size. Okay. So this is, here we have to show the same angle, measurement of angle. Angles congruency, it means having the equal measurement of angles in the given figure. So we can say it shows their measurements of a given angles are same. See, two angles I have made. I have drawn two angles. Both are 60 degrees, but see, both are placed opposite way. One is placed in this way and the second is placed in that way. Just opposite of it. So it doesn't matter where, how it is placed, matter is that here length, shape, size, that will be equal. Students, now we will discuss about the congruence of triangle. In complete geometry, it's a triangle is very important chapter. Circle is very important chapter. So, in triangles, we will know how it explain about its congruency, how it proves one triangle to other triangle. Okay, sure. See, so it has four properties. Okay, it has four properties. You know that SSS. It means what we will discuss, that is SSS. Okay, students. But before that, corresponding side we should know. Before that, we should discuss corresponding side. What is corresponding side? Corresponding side, it means having the same side of the given figure. Okay. See, having the given side of the at the same position. Suppose to be two figures are both congruent. But how can we say congruent? When their sides, when their angles, when their shape and size may be equal. But here we are discussing about corresponding. So see, it is a line segment A or B. It is placed in this side. It means LHS in left hand side. So in this figure, see which figure line segment is placed in left hand side? PQ. So we can say that AB is corresponding to PQ. AB corresponding to PQ. Same BC corresponding to QR. BC corresponding to QR. Or AC corresponding to PR. AC corresponding to PR. Are you getting my points? Nothing you have to be confused, only the sides which is given that will be at the same position of the given figure. ठीक है बेटा, वो कोई भी फिगर दिया है, सिर्फ उसकी साइड को ये देखना है कि उसकी पोजीशन पे कौन सा है, उसकी पोजीशन इक्वल होनी चाहिए, उसके पोजीशन पे जो भी साइड आ रहा है वो उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग होगा. ठीक है. अब देखिए कंग्रुएंसी क्राइटेरिया के बारे में आपको डिस्कस किया था अभी. जो ट्रायंगल्स का कंग्रुएंसी क्राइटेरिया है वो चार है. एस है. तो पहला साइड साइड साइड, मतलब अगर हम एक ट्रायंगल से दूसरे ट्रायंगल को हम प्रूफ करना चाहें, इफ सपोज वी वांट टू प्रूफ वाया SSS, if you want to prove one triangles to other triangles, what will be happen? SSS criteria we can follow, side side side. So see, congruence criteria inside in this criteria, through this criterion, what can we prove? In this criterion we can prove the given triangles having all the sides are length. Say students, so is criteria given side. Why a side? Only three sides are there, because in triangles only three sides. That's why SSS criteria are here. So in this criterion we have to show for the similarity, for the congruency, that all sides of the given triangle are equal to each together. Okay, it means in this criterion we will prove via sides. If their sides are equal, it means both triangles are equal. Okay, students, you can see in this criteria all three sides are equal to the sides of the other triangle. See, here is the given triangle ABC and here triangle PQR. This side we can see it is the type of a scalene triangle. Am I right? It is a type of a scalene triangle. Why? Because their all sides are different length. All sides are different length. Same way, other triangles are also scalene. Other triangles are also scalene. But we want to prove that congruence. By which congruence we can prove both are the similar? So we can say that AB has the equal length and PQ has the equal length. You can see it is drawn by single line. It is represented by single line. You can see. Okay. Then after AC is double line. It means PR double line. Why? Because both are having the equal length. It is having the equal length. And BC is equal to QR, it having the equal length. It means we can say that all three sides of the triangle are congruent to the other triangles PQR. Okay, so if I talk about corresponding sides, what will be the corresponding sides? AB is equal to PQ, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR, AC is equal to PR. It means all three sides are equal to each other. In such conditions, if all three sides are equal to one triangle to other triangles, in such conditions we can say that criterion are existing. So through this criteria, that angles can be proved that it is congruence. Okay, students, it is all about the congruence of triangles. Still left we have three more. Okay, already I discussed that there are four congruences of the triangles. Number first SSS, number second SAS, side angle side. Number third ASA, angle side angle, and number fourth RHS, right hand side. Okay, so students, regarding this we will discuss in the next video. Okay, remaining part of this congruency we will discuss in the next video. Till that, update yourself and make clear yourself, be satisfied, and what the questions are related to this chapters, try to solve, because without solution you can't know how to solve the particular question. And in the examination it may be asked the congruency property also, and may ask on the basis of their property given questions also. So be careful, until that, stay healthy, stay safe.